So I will prepare my festival. So I got this Grace Festival mix and just made from flour, cornmeal, baking powder, salt, vegetable oil. So some simple ingredients. So instead of making it from scratch, I'm just gonna go the convenient, easy way today. Don't judge, don't judge. All right. So the instruction says to combine with water. So I'm gonna get half a cup of water to mix the whole packet for this 270 grams. All right, so I'll proceed to do that, and then I'm gonna leave it to sit for 15 minutes. So while I'll do that, all right, so quick and easy recipe today. Festival mix, half a cup of water, nice clean dry bowl, and we're gonna use the entire packet. Empty all that into our bowl. Use clean dry hands because you're gonna be going into this with your hands to make the dough. So if you don't want to use your hand, you can use a whisk to do that part, and then you can knead it with it. Like it's totally up to you. So add water and then get the flour mixed with the water. And you can use a spoon to do this. You don't want to use your hand. Your nails all messed up. Half my water, that's all you need to do now is just go through and incorporate that. You don't need it too hard. I'm going to need some more water for this. They lied to me. So that's half a cup of water now. Enough. Heating up my coconut oil. So I have 4 big tablespoons of oil. So that will work out to about half a cup of coconut oil. And then just putting it at medium heat. And while I heat that up, I'm gonna get dumplings there. 15 minutes later. So this is it. Now it looks, and I can make how many? 26. Really? Well, according to them, you can get 26 festivals out of this. I don't know. I'll try. Depends on the size of it, I guess. It all depends on the size. You want them to be even, the same size, that they can cook. So you need to make them very small. Then you're going to do what now? Roll them cylindrically and then put them in deep fry until golden brown. So roll cylindrically, and then you're gonna put them in some oil and cook them till they're golden brown. Okay, I'm gonna go to the pot so I can drop them in. Just let it golden brown on each side, maybe 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Just judge it down, look, make sure it's brown. You can see. Alright, I'm gonna turn them. morning now. Morning. What?
You missed it.
Okay. Makan question mana sebenarnya aku punya. I'm gonna concentrate. Alright, we got if you want to turn over. So turn over, turn over. Turn over, turn over. Alright. So make sure that it's golden brown on all sides. And then you can take them out of the pot. And the one. Pen paper, give me an example. See?
Oh, this thing. Let me take it up.
Just come out of there, isn't it? I'm telling you about it for something over there. Yay. Hi. Something don't burn. Alright. Still not burn too bad now. Turn it down. Alright. Let's go make dumpling. Make them long so. You put them in the palm of your hand like so. You see? Yeah. Okay. And then just go to put 6. These are all done. I'm gonna put them into take them out of the pot now. Okay. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove.